Are you tired of writing the same code again and again for analyzing and modeling structured data? Now say goodbye to this problem. Welcome to the Data Analysis web application. This application can analyze and build machine learning models without writing code. Let's explore its functionality by analyzing the 𝐼RIS dataset. Step 1. Upload the dataset. We can upload the dataset by browsing the local file, or we can access the dataset by writing the file name. This method fetches the dataset from Seaborn repository on GitHub. We can see the uploaded dataset in the sidebar or in the menu tab. Now click on Data Overview tab to know about the uploaded data. This will provide the information about data such as number of columns, whether the column's data type is numerical or categorical, arithmetic parameters of dataset, and many more. After gaining insights about data, let's organize the data by cleaning the data. Do close the Data Overview tab for better performance. We can see the missing values in the dataset in this section. We can also filter the missing values by each column. Next, we can drop the column, which is not necessary for our model building. Just click the drop-down tab and select the column to drop. We can also handle the missing values by 3 methods. First, delete the rows containing missing values. Second, input the missing values. Third, replace the values with mean, median, and mode. Next, we can encode the categorical values into numerical values for applying machine learning algorithms. We can also find the duplicate values from the dataset. And to handle them, just click on Drop Duplicates. User can download the clean dataset for their use. We can also filter the unique values in each column by clicking the Unique button. Next, before going to the Visualization tab, remember that if we want to change any operation, we have to perform the cleaning task again. In this tab, we can see the clean dataset. Select the X and Y axis value and type of graph to plot. If we want the third value, we can enter it, or just click No. We can see the visualization below. There are multiple plots available, including 3D plots. Next, we can train the machine learning model in the Model Building tab. Select the algorithm to apply. Next, choose the columns that are independent and the columns that you want to predict. Drag below, and you can see the accuracy of the dataset. We can change the ML algorithm to increase the accuracy. After training the model, we can test the model. Input the parameters one by one, and at last we can see